Quick reading for June the 13th to June the 14th, Libra. Your cards are the Chariot, the King of Wisdom, and the Three of Wisdom. Ito yung mga pagkakataon na merong uuwi, magpapakita, iso-surprise, parang matagal kong hindi sinabi or hindi ko pa nasasabi ang mga bagay na ito, ang mga salitang ito. But I feel like this might be the right time for me to say it, expose these feelings, no? Pwede rin kasing itong yung kung hindi pa kayo, pwede niyang sabihin na pwede bang tayo na? Or pwede itong proposal, ano? With the King of Wisdom is clarified by the Hermit and the Page of Charisma. Nakikita natin dito na siguro yung iba, no? Hindi naman lahat, yung iba, pwedeng masabi ito online, video call, or what have you. Pero siguro meron nga kasing separation or distance between them, no? So this is your quick reading, Libra, for June the 13th to June the 14th.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me back.